In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a video to your Squarespace website. Whether you're a business owner showcasing your latest product or a creative looking to build your portfolio online, embedding a video on your site can really enhance the viewer's experience. So let's delve into the process. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Squarespace website. If you're not familiar with Squarespace, it's a platform that allows you to create stunning websites without needing to dive into complex coding. It's perfect for those who want a professional-looking site with ease. So type in Squarespace in your browser and click on the link to enter their homepage. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, the next step is to navigate to the Website section. Here you'll see various options tailored to customizing your website. Look around to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Once comfortable, go ahead and click Edit. This is where the magic begins, as you'll enter the editing mode, allowing you to make changes to the look and feel of your site. In editing mode, you'll now want to direct your attention to a specific section of your site where you'd like the video to be placed. Pick the section that best fits your video content, as its location can greatly impact user engagement. Click on Add section to bring up different options for what you can add to the page. Now here's where it gets a bit more focused. Under the Background tab, you'll want to select Video. Clicking on this will initiate the upload process. Get your video file ready. Make sure the file format and size are compatible with Squarespace's requirements to avoid any hiccups. Upload your video by following the instructions provided in the upload prompt. Throughout this process, take a moment to preview what your page looks like with the embedded video. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to see the changes in real time and make adjustments as necessary. The importance of video placement cannot be overstated, as it should naturally guide your viewers' attention without overwhelming other elements on the page. And just like that, you're done. It's a simple process, but one that can make a significant difference in how your website is perceived by visitors. Whether it's a high-quality promotional video or a casual vlog update, embedding videos can keep your audience engaged and informed. If you followed along, you've now successfully added a video to your Squarespace website. Feel free to play around with different sections, styles, and layouts to best suit your content's needs. Thank you for watching, and happy website building!